Okay.
dead! I'm dead! I'm dead! It's
You
too
didn't see what it
quiet
said?
now!
Oh yeah, you gotta use sound cues. You gotta use sound cues. I'm right here, Biboo. You're gonna be just fine.
It won't close! I'm dead! The menu!
Just exit main menu, main menu, main menu. With main menu, main menu. Main menu. Main menu. Biboo just throws her headphones off, leaves the room. You go back immediately. Oh man, somehow this is a lot less painful now. I don't know how. It's the suffering of others. Okay. I'm just here for moral support and to also slurp up her delicious screams. They give me fuel.
Oh, I'm glad that it fuels you.
Yeah. She's having a good time, as you can hear. Yeah. You gotta get desensitized. You gotta get desensitized. You gotta get desensitized to the game.